Best Luxury Small Car for 2025 to 2024 BMW 3 Series. As we step into 2025, the 2024 BMW 3 Series has been crowned the best luxury small car of the year. This iconic model continues to set the benchmark for its class, offering a blend of performance, advanced technology, and sophisticated design. The 3 Series remains a favorite among luxury car enthusiasts, reaffirming its position as a leader in the segment. Performance and driving dynamics. The 2024 BMW 3 Series offers an exhilarating driving experience, thanks to its range of powerful and efficient engine options. The base model, the 330i, is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more performance, the M340i features a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine with 382 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth and responsive shifts. The 3 Series also offers the 330e, a plug-in hybrid variant that combines a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor to produce a total of 288 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. This model provides the benefits of hybrid efficiency without compromising on performance. BMW's renowned xDrive all-wheel drive system is available on most trims, enhancing traction and stability in various driving conditions. The precise steering, well-tuned suspension, and balanced chassis make the 3 Series a joy to drive, whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Luxurious and high-tech interior. Inside, the 2024 BMW 3 Series exudes luxury and modernity. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials, including premium leather upholstery, fine wood trim, and aluminum accents. The seats are designed for comfort and support, making long drives more enjoyable. The centerpiece of the interior is the advanced infotainment system, featuring a 14.9-inch central touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. The system is powered by BMW's latest iDrive 8 software, offering intuitive controls and seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 3 Series also includes a head-up display, a premium Harman Kardon audio system, and wireless charging as standard or optional features. Advanced safety and driver assistance features. The 2024 BMW 3 Series comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features. Standard systems include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies enhance driver confidence and ensure a safer driving experience. Market impact and availability. The 2024 BMW 3 Series has been well received in the luxury small car market, praised for its performance, luxury, and advanced technology. Its competitive pricing and the availability of multiple trims and configurations make it an attractive option for a wide range of buyers. The 3 Series is available at BMW dealerships nationwide, and its strong reputation ensures continued success. Conclusion. The 2024 BMW 3 Series stands out as the best luxury small car for 2025, offering a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and advanced technology. With its powerful engine options, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge features, the 3 Series continues to set the standard in its class. Whether for daily commuting or spirited driving, the 3 Series delivers an exceptional driving experience that meets the high expectations of today's luxury car buyers.